Hello, this is Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. Here's your English update for Bitcoin for the day. What's going on? It's a little update, only 10 minutes, I promise. But here are some interesting things to talk about, guys. It's really interesting. Let me show you. Let's go. So let's start really quick with CoinMarketCap. You can see, Bitcoin is going down 5.5% in 24 hours. In 7 days, it's going down a little bit, 0.09%. Ethereum is going down more on 24 hours, but on the week, it's better to trade Ethereum as Bitcoin. We have a nice plus, about 7.34%. The most coins are going down, the most coins are bleeding. Solana is also going down really hard, and they have a nice update for Solana. A weekly forecast, a monthly forecast for Solana. Please watch the video. Maybe we can hit $200 in February for Solana. This is a really nice video. Okay, Bitcoin dominance 41.2%, and Ethereum dominance is growing 18.5%. So let's move on to the next stuff. What is the next thing what I can show you? This is this one here. This is the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance was a nice uptrend here since the golden cross, really nice in the 1 hour time frame. But now what can we see? We have a death cross. This is really bad. So it was a nice moment to trade Bitcoin. Now it's a thing we should trade maybe the altcoins. It's maybe better to trade altcoins because the dominance is going down and the altcoins dominance is going up. What can we see? We have a nice parallel channel to the upside, a little red one with a death cross. The big question is, can we stay in this uptrend channel? Yes or no? Or will we lose it to the downside? That's the big question. So the next thing, this is Coin360, and you can see everything is bloody red here. Bitcoin is bloody red here. Ethereum is bloody red here on the day. The Binance coin, Solana, AVAX, DOT, Luna, Algo, ADA, XRP, Doge, Litecoin. Okay, you can see the most altcoins are really in a bad position here. They are going down really hard. I don't know why it is flashing sometimes here for Coin360. This is not the right picture. If you have any idea, please write it in the chat. I don't know why it is flashing sometimes, but this is the correct picture here. This is the really picture, the bloody red picture here for Coin360. Okay, now let's move on. Let's dive into our analysis. It's really interesting, I will promise you. So this is CoinCodex. Now it's a little bit interesting because CoinCodex is showing us this picture here. This is Solana, not that thing what we are watching. This is Bitcoin. Let me show you Bitcoin on CoinCodex, the price prediction. Here we are. So we are going maybe to the upside. Maybe we are going back up to the upside near 40,000. This is telling us the price prediction the next 7 days. We can see it. We have here, based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Bitcoin, are they telling us? But they are telling us we are going back up to maybe 40,000. Really nice. And we have here this picture. Everything is on sale here. You can see it. We have a big fear in the market, and we have here the next targets about 40,000 maybe. Okay, interesting. That's CoinCodex. Now let's dive into our analysis. What's happening now? What can we see? A big bad downtrend, and yes, a diamond pattern, and yes, a triangle here to the right side, and yes, we broke down here. And really bad broke down here. It was a confirmed breaking down here, and I tried to make some bottom hunting here, some bottoms, and yes, it was not the perfect thing because I had to set a stop loss here under my entry, and yes, it stopped me out once, twice, 3 times. So I'm here. The first thing here, this was my first bottom hunting on this bottom here, and with a stop loss, it went out of my trade. Here it was the next try to fight back the triangle, and yes, a stop loss to the downside, and it was also a bad trade. And the third thing was this one here. I will show you this point here was the next bottom I tried to hunt because it was a really big support to the downside, and I thought to me, guys, nice, this is the next bottom, maybe let's hunt this one. Little stop loss to the downside, guys. It's not a big thing. If you are losing a bottom hunt here with a stop loss on the downside, it's not much money. You can set a really tight stop loss here on the downside, so you will not lose money. But if it's going up here, really nice. So as this trade here I made here about some days here with 15% plus, okay, you can lose some stop losses. It's not a really big thing. Now for the moment we are going down. We lost our triangle, we lost our diamond pattern, and now we're going down. The big question is now, where is the next point to watch? Where is maybe the next bottom hunting place? First of all, we have a technical target. The triangle breakout to the downside has a technical target, and this is the middle line. The middle line price is for the moment about 34,000. This is the next big target for this triangle. I am not telling you we will reach 34,000. I am only telling you guys this is the technical target for breaking out the triangle to the downside. The next big thing is we have a really big support. This is this place here, because we have a lot of spikes here to this place, and the support line is here. And the price about this is 35,500. Next big support. You saw it here. The spikes to the downside here also, here also. So a lot of more of spikes here we saw in the last time here, perfectly hit it on this 35,500. So this is the next big target to the downside, the next support line. But for the moment, I'm not trying to hunt the bottom because it's too dangerous now, because I think it's possible to go down more and more and more. And we need to watch relative strength index. We see for the moment on the 1 hour time frame an overbought RSI, guys, overbought RSI. So like this one, but it's possible to go down more and more here. You can see it on the left side. We are going down here really low, and it's possible to go down here also. The RSI resistance line is here as a big resistance, and if you're watching the moving average, what can we see? We lost the nice bullish momentum here, and we are going down again. The next cross is here. The next little red candle to the downside is here. That's not good. That's not nice, guys. We need to watch. 4 hour time frame. Let me show you this one. 4 hour. There's also a bad MACD. You can see we are going down here really bad. We are building more and more red candles, and what can we see if we are watching the RSI? We lost our nice support to the downside. So the daily is telling us, yes, we are going back. We have still a bullish momentum in the MACD, but we are going back. We are watching here the light green candles, and yes, maybe we will see the next cross soon. MACD is not looking good. RSI is not looking good. It was a try to break out over the resistance, but no, we could not break out. So once again, daily time frame. Let me remove all stuff. Let me remove every indicator. Let me show you the Ichimoku. And that's the next bad stuff, guys. Watch this. We have a bad Ichimoku because the blue line is lost completely, 34,400. We lost the Ichimoku. We are now back again under all Ichimoku lines, both of this. We have a big bad parallel channel to the downside. We saw a nice hit here again, and yes, we are rejected. We saw a rejection again, guys. Sorry. So yes, we are going down with a red one. It must be a red one because it's a bearish parallel channel to the downside. And yes, we saw a big rejection. So big question, do you know the M pattern, the possible, guys? You know the shoulder head, shoulder pattern. You know this one. I'm showing you this since days, weeks. You saw the trend line, and you know the bad target to the downside, 15,000, guys. You know all the stuff from me, what I'm showing you since days, since weeks. What's going on with the golden cross and death cross indicator? Also really bad. Yes, the death cross is here. We're going down more and more. If we are watching the 4 hour time frame, what can we see? We still have a death cross, and it was a nice try to fight back again with the green line to the upside, but no, guys, you can see it. We lost here also the green line. The green line is now a big resistance on the 4 hour time frame. Also, it's a price about 37,500, and yes, we are going down. That's not good for the moment. 1 hour time frame, golden cross, yes, but what happened? We lost everything. We lost the red line, we lost the green line, we lost everything. And that's the reason why I'm not trying to catch the bottom for the moment. I'm waiting now a little bit. What's going on? If we're going deeper now, it's okay. I will try to search the next bottom, but in my opinion, it's now a hard thing. You can see we lost the ribbon band, we lost the EMA 200, we lost in the 1 hour time frame everything. That's very important. So it's not possible for me to hunt a bottom here again, and I have to wait what's going on. Guys, that's the update for the day. And that's the big thing what I would like to show you. I made a German update also. Today I only would like to make a German update, but someone asked me, please make an English one. So it is. Here is the English one. Guys, bye.